ਮੁਲਕ ਪਰਤਣ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਫ਼ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। कोरोना तो बचाव वालियां पाबंदियां करके लोग विदेशों च अजिहे फसे कि कई महीनों तो घर वापसी का राह तक रहे सन। गुहारां तो बाद भारत सरकार ने सब तो वड्डा मिशन विड्या, नाम रखा गया वंदे भारत मिशन, जिस दे दूजे पड़ाव च हुणे लोग वापस परत रहे ने अपने घरां नूं।
Sandeep Chakraborty ji, Consulate General of India in New York. I sent him an email about my emergency, and he replied promptly and helped me out through the whole process. And I really appreciate him and all the other people who's working hard for the embassy. They're doing a really great job.
It was a great experience for me personally. It was a quick one.
We had got a chance to go back to India because we are thinking to go back, since long 1 month, but we stuck. But thank you guys to help us, and now we are going back.
Indian Embassy has helped me, helped all of my roommates and my friends to arrange this emergency flight for us, and I'd like to thank Indian Embassy, Indian government.
I've been in France from past 3 months, and I've been in touch with the embassy and the consulate for a longer time, and they've been so helpful. They've been picking up my calls. Picking up my calls all the time, and they are arranging this thing very, very nice. And then even though there are delays in the flights and things like that, but they are keeping everything on track, and then we are actually
घर मुड़न की खुशी तो है, पर उधर एयरपोर्ट ते पहुंचण तो लैके सफर करन दौरान मिलियां सहूलतां अते मदद तो मुसाफिर खासे प्रभावित नजर आए अते अपनी संतुष्टि खुल के जाहिर कीती।
And I would really appreciate the Indian government, which has taken so many efforts to get us back to India. Here the arrangements are really wonderful. They have even asked us for snacks or water, whatever, any difficulties, they are here to help us.
I have to travel from Vancouver to India because of my father's death, and this has been a great help from Government of India under the part of Vande Bharat mission. I've been able to see my family. I'm so thankful to everyone who's been part of the Vande Bharat mission.
Thank you so much, Government of India, for your amazing efforts and the mission that you guys have been able to pull off. Thank you so much, CGI Vancouver, DGCA, Ministry of Civil Aviation, all the government officials in Government of India. You guys have done an amazing job. We cannot thank you enough for all your efforts and all your services that you have given, and this job is beyond words. It's commendable that you guys are
part of Indian government. I'm so proud of my country that they helped me a lot. Team working in the Bahrain, they helped me a lot reaching my place through Kerala. I just one wish I want to say that guys, don't lose hope.
Sir, I introduce myself. I'm Mohammed. I'm from Kerala. I'm from Trichy district. I'm having a lot of problems here because of my mother is having very, very sickness. He is very critical at home. Actually, I cannot admit the hospital also because his age is over. So very, very, I'm saying to thank you very much, sir, for the embassy people especially, and thank you for Indian government. They are supporting us a lot of. See, this is a critical kind of situation. I can understand myself, but still, from the government, Indian government, and especially in the embassy people are also helping me a lot. When I got this call now, really, I was getting some. I don't know. I cannot express this time, but I'm very, very, very thankful, especially for Indian government.
I'm traveling to Kerala due to my maternity reason. So now it's 8 months finished. So I can't stay here because due to my maternity condition. This is very urgent. So I thank you to the Indian Embassy and Government of India.
इन्हां लोकां नूं वापस लियाउण लई वंदे भारत मिशन दे दूजे पड़ाਅ तहत जो 311 फ्लाइट्स तैयार कीतीਆਂ गईਆਂ ਨੇ, इन्हां दे विच मिडल ईस्ट दे लई 199, रशिया ईस्ट यूरोप दे लई 30, यूरोप अते यूके दे लई 24, साउथ ईस्ट एशिया दे लई 23, अमरीका ते कनेडा दे लई 20, दक्षिणी एशिया दे लई 9, ਆਸਟ੍ਰੇਲੀਆ ਅਤੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਲਈ 8, ਅਫਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ ਲਈ 5 ਅਤੇ ਈਸਟ ਏਸ਼ੀਆ ਦੇ ਲਈ 3 ਫਲਾਈਟਸ ਨੇ।
Under Vande Bharat mission, as we speak, the numbers of our citizens who were stranded and or in distress outside, those coming back is increasing. We have at the same time utilized the outgoing aircraft to carry our citizens who are normally resident abroad and who needed to travel because they have jobs to do, they have got other professional commitments, and they were caught unawares, as it were, prior to the lockdown. Their numbers are less, not because we don't want to carry them, but because our flights to the United States, they're coming chock-a-block full, but they're also going full. But some of the countries from which we are bringing our citizens back, they are at this point of time not allowing foreign nationals to come back. And therefore, some of the people wanting to travel back, they may have permanent visas, they may have other residence permits, but since they are not on the passports of the countries, and there are 6 countries in the Gulf, Middle East, some countries in East Asia also.
ਜੋ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਹਿੱਸਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਨਾਗਰਿਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣਗੀਆਂ ਅਤੇ ਵੰਦੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਪੜਾਅ 13 ਜੂਨ ਤੱਕ ਇਉਂ ਹੀ ਜਾਰੀ ਰਹੇਗਾ। ਪਰ ਕੁਝ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਮੁਲਕ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਵਾਪਸ ਬੁਲਾਏ ਨੇ। ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਇਜ਼ਰਾਈਲ, ਮਲੇਸ਼ੀਆ, ਜਰਮਨੀ, ਫਰਾਂਸ, ਯੂਕੇ, ਨੀਦਰਲੈਂਡ, ਇਟਲੀ, ਯੂਕਰੇਨ, ਬੈਲਜੀਅਮ, ਪੇਰੂ ਅਤੇ ਅਫਗਾਨਿਸਤਾਨ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾਗਰਿਕ ਵਾਪਸ ਭੇਜੇ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆਖੀ ਹੈ।